Electric saw chain sharpener. 12-volt grinder comes with a car power adapter and alligator clips. Sharpens most chainsaw chains up to 0.404-inch pitch. Sharpening stones inside. Contains 3/16 4.8 mm, 5/32 4.0 mm, and 7/32 5.5 mm grinding stones. Easy chainsaw sharpening kit. Simple sharpening angle adjustment guide for accuracy. Lightweight. Ergonomic design. Long power cord included, 5 meters. Powerful motor. Runs at an optimum 25,000 RPM. Oregon SureSharp 12 volts handheld saw chain sharpener. Ideal for occasional chainsaw users, this lightweight, ergonomic tool makes hand sharpening easier. Conveniently sharpen saw chain on the go with its compact portability and stress-free operation. This rugged, economical grinding solution can withstand periods of extended use for durability you can rely on. Top reviews from the United States. Just a light touch and chain is razor sharp. My 3/16 files were only effective for 2 to 3 sharpens made in China? Toss it and get a new one. Decided to try this and what a difference. Just the lightest, quickest contact with the links and it's incredibly sharp, no force necessary. What a difference.